Welcome back to yet another episode. Today is Package Has Arrived Day. What package is that? Well, if you continue to watch the video, you will see exactly what the package... Alright, I'll just tell you. I received the Monochrome Converted PENTAX K-3 today. Thanks again to Gator Guy from Pentax Forums, one of the moderators on the Pentax Forums site, was gracious enough to ship me a K3 monochrome converted camera along with the HD 35mm limited macro lens and a whole whack of filters. So this is just an unboxing video just to show you everything that I received. It also came with a hefty price. Yeah, gotta love Canada sometimes. Anyway, I'm gonna get into all that, but it's basically just an unboxing video, something quick, and then I just got to get out there and start shooting with my K3 and the monochrome converted K3, and then I'm gonna introduce the K3 Mark III and compare all three together. So yeah, all right. Thanks for tuning in. Let's get it started. Okay, so first things first, if you're wondering what this $213.06 thing is, that's how much it actually cost me to receive this. I know, it doesn't make any sense. It was shipped to me, so the sender already paid for shipping, and then for me to receive it in Canada, this came from the US, that's how much it cost me to actually accept the package because Canada loves their taxes. But anyway, let's open this up here and see what's inside. Boom. Oh, that is nice. That's pretty cool, actually. All right, pull this off. Pull it off. And we've got bubble wrap. Lots of bubble wrap. What's inside the bubble wrap? Oh, we have the K3, the monochrome converted K3 with the HD DA 35 macro limited lens. Ooh, I can actually use one of those firmware updates that came with the custom image thing. Finally, I have a lens that actually works with that. Okay, that'll be interesting. I haven't tried any of those. Oh, what's this? What is this? Okay, instructions in regards to the black and white thing because it's completely and utterly different than shooting color. All right, so we've got that, and there is a whole bunch of filters from 67 to 82. Oh wow, okay, what do we have in here? Got a CPL filter. Oh, here we are. Okay, and we've got the black and white filters. I think this is red, I think. Oh yeah, look at that. Orange, okay. We've got that. Oh, there's all kinds of filters. Yellow. Yeah, CPL. We've got a red Tiffin filter here. So we've got orange, yellow, red, clear. Is this UV? What is this? This is, okay, graduated and soft grad filter. And we've got a black mist Nissi filter and another different tint of yellow. Yeah, it looks like another tint of yellow. Not sure exactly which filter that is. So yeah, this will be interesting. This is going to be completely different than what I'm used to. But I'm willing to give it a shot, see how it goes. So that's all that came in the box, literally. And as you can see, it only shoots black and white. That's it. Only black and white. No color on this bad boy. So, yeah. There's only one thing left to do now, and that's go out and shoot with the K3 monochrome converted camera with the HD DA 35 limited macro. And I happen to have an SMC 35 2.8 limited macro. They're not exactly identical lenses, but they're based off the same optical formula. This just has a different coating. It's basically the same lens. So this will be pretty accurate, and just shoot these back to back, check settings and stuff, and see how the monochrome converted specialist black and white camera fares against color K3 camera. Everything's identical except for the color of the lens. But yeah, just see how the two of these compare against each other, and converting this from color to black and white versus shooting dedicated monochrome black and white. And that's all I got to do now. So stay tuned. That's going to be coming up. I'm out.